In chapters 9 and 10, we introduced special journals, but there are still some transactions that have to be recorded in a general journal, and that's what chapter 11 is going to be dealing with. So on page 326 in the textbook, number 1 says, journalize the following transactions during December of the current year. Use page 12 of a general journal. Source documents are abbreviated as follows: Memorandum M, Debit Memorandum DM. On December 5th, we bought office supplies on account from Milam Corporation, $532, M57. Our date is December 5th. M57 is our source document. We bought supplies for the office for $532, and we bought it from accounts payable Milam Corporation, $532. What we have to do now that we've introduced subsidiary ledgers and we have an accounts payable ledger, we have to slash this posting reference box, because when we go to post this, we're going to post to accounts payable and Milam Corporation. Our next transaction on December 7th, we returned merchandise to Griffin Incorporated for $248, Debit Memorandum 32. Date is the 7th. DM32 is our source document. We are going to debit accounts payable Griffin Incorporated for $248. And just like in the last problem, we are going to split the posting reference box, because when we post to accounts payable and Griffin Incorporated. And we are going to credit an account called Purchases, Returns, and Allowances. For $248. We're now being asked to post each of these items. So I'm going to skip supplies to the office and purchase returns and allowances. They're here on this next page. You know how to do that. What I am going to show you though is these two lines. We have to first post a credit of $532 to accounts payable. So here's accounts payable. Our date is December 5th. This is coming from the General Journal, page 12. It's a credit of $532. We have to add to find our new balance, and that's going to be $9,025.50. I take the account number 2110, and I'm going to put it in the top half of that box. I'm now going to post the credit to Milam Corporation for $532. The date is the 5th. G12 is the source document. It's a credit for $532. And I lost my page. So I'm going to add to find my new balance, and that's going to be $1,975. I take vendor number 250, and I'm going to put it back here in little numbers in the bottom half of that box. I'll do the same thing now for this transaction on the 7th. I'm going to debit accounts payable, $248. So the date is the 7th. Again, G12. It's a debit for $248, and when I subtract my new balance is going to be 7, that's a 1, that's a 7, that's a 9. So $87.77.50. I take account number 2110. And now I'm going to post to Griffin Incorporated this debit for $248. and I subtract, and my new balance with them is $710. I put vendor number 220 here.